You always wanted to make a really nice ARP for melodic house in Diva, then let me show you today how you can make that. So this ARP is part of my free preset pack. You can check it out in the description below. It sounds like this. Okay, so let's get right into it. So we first need to change this triple VCO to a dual VCO. We activate the saw and the noise. We detune it slightly, just so we can hear a slight detune. We activate the sync option here. This doesn't really affect the sound too much, but it adds a little bit of character to it. We turn the envelope all the way to the left, and the mix almost all the way to VCO2. Then we change this feedback here to high pass filter pre and move it up only a little bit. Then we change this filter here to cascade mode and increase the envelope a bit. Next up, put this transpose here to 0. Increase the glide only a tiny bit. Also reduce the range. Pan it slightly to the left, so the LFO is modulating between left and right only a little bit. Then activate the ARP and keep it in the 16th note. Keep it on the down pattern. Keep it on serial. Restart at none. Activate some plate reverb and activate some delay. For the delay, turn the center volume up only a tiny bit and high pass it slightly. Also low pass it slightly. Keep the voices at 6, voices maximum. Now go to modifications. Keep the VCO at envelope 1 and the filter, put both filters to LFO2. You can also change this noise and dual VCO mix to LFO1, and now you can experiment around. Now you can activate this a bit and see if you like how it sounds. And just adds a bit more variation to the dynamic of the synth when you play it. Now you can say here add LFO1 plus add LFO2. And now at LFO1 you can increase the rate a bit. Keep the restart mode at random and decrease the depth of the modulation. Now for LFO2, keep it at randomized glide, keep the restart random and the sync at 1 second and increase the depth mode as well. Now you can affect the intensity of those settings through these two dials here, so you can increase it or simply reduce it, and then the filter FM mod won't be that harsh. Last but not least, you can come here to these trimmers and detune the oscillator voice tunings different, and you can also increase the detune amount, but this is completely up to you. And there you basically have it. Now, if you want to, you can of course change these envelope settings here to analog like I did it in the original preset, but you can just play around and see what sounds nice to you. So in the original preset, I had them something like this. And I also turned up here the velocity and the keyboard, but just try to like play around with all of these settings and see how it sounds like to you. So I want my ARP right now to be a bit more sharp, so I'm turning down the attack. And then of course, last but not least, to actually make it sound like my ARP, I just tuned this up and it sounds like the original one. But even if I'm trying to rebuild it, it's always going to sound a little bit different. But yeah, guys, there you have it. This is the ARP I love to make in Diva. And if you want to check this one out, it's my free preset pack down below in the description underneath this video. So make sure to get that free pack. And yeah, have a great day. If you like this one, please like and subscribe. Have a beautiful day. Take care, and I see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.